Buzzing snare wires can be really annoying in some situations. Here are 3 of our favorite tips to control sympathetic snare buzz. No other instrument of the drum set can change the overall drum sound like the snare. So finding the right snare sound for your musical needs is quite important. But once you've tuned the drum and dialed in the amount of snare wires you want, oftentimes you have to deal with sympathetic snare buzz when hitting the other drums of your kit. Especially the tom-toms are known for triggering the snare wires. Of course, snare buzz is part of every drum sound, but being able to control the amount of buzz is a very helpful tool in many situations. Now let's get started. First, let's focus on the tom. While you want to keep the snare sound you just found, work on the second drum that's involved first. When the tom is tuned to a similar range as the snare, or has similar overtones, it'll make the snare wires rattle. The quickest way to deal with that is by changing the pitch of the tom. Of course, you can retune the whole drum, but a quick tip is to only use the tension rod closest to you. Here's the effect of this simple trick. If this isn't enough, let's go one step further. The second factor that influences the amount of snare buzz is the tone length of the tom. The longer the tone stands, the longer it can trigger the snare wires. Shortening the tone can be achieved by muffling the drum or tuning the tom's Reso head. In our case, tuning the Reso head up a bit worked great. If this still wasn't enough, or you want to keep your original tom sound, here's a simple trick regarding the snare. A common trick is to work on the snare Reso head. Lower the tension on the 4 tension rods next to the snare wires. A quarter or half turn will do the trick, but keep in mind that manipulating the sensitivity of the snare wires will also influence your overall snare sound. Those 3 tips will definitely help you deal with that issue in the future. But even though it sounds obvious, the best way to really minimize snare buzz is by turning the snares off when you're not playing the snare. That way, guitars or other signals won't be able to trigger the snares at all. What's your experience with snare buzz? Do you like it or hate it? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more.